Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to tell you about an RV hack that we found that's less than $10 and solved a huge problem of ours. Stay tuned.
We are Kyle and Nicole, avid travelers from Michigan. In 2021, Kyle quit his job and we have been traveling across North America in our travel trailer while I continue to work full-time from the road. We love to create content showing amazing destinations, things to do, free camping spots, and RV life. We hope you will like, subscribe, and comment on our videos and join us for these fantastic adventures. You never know where we will pop up next.
If you have an RV, chances are you absolutely hate making the bed. It is a nightmare. You're doing acrobatic tricks. You only have so much space on either side. Maybe you don't have space on one side at all. And there's usually stuff down there that you're working around and you're curling up in the corner trying to get in there, and it's just a disaster. And once you get in the bed, usually almost every night, if you're like us, one of the corners comes unstuck and then you have to crawl back in there and try to lift it up and get it up in there, and it's just a mess. Well, we have a fix for that. We found on Amazon these super awesome bed sheet suspenders. They're so cool. We've been using these for 8 months and our corners have not come untucked one time. Oh, it's so awesome. And they're so easy to use. It's $9.99 and I'll show you exactly how to use them. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay them out now underneath your mattress in a crisscross so that these ends, you have one at each corner.
These suspenders are elastic and adjustable to fit mattress sizes from twin to king.
And then these, they snap and they're super easy to unsnap. So what you do is you leave them unsnapped, and in here, that's where you fit your sheet. Your sheet will go in here, you'll close it, and then you'll repeat on all corners.
We've included a link in the description on where you can find these bedsheet suspenders on Amazon. If you purchase using the link below, it doesn't cost you anything additional, and we will receive a small commission in return to help support our adventures. We very much love these sheet suspenders. They do exactly what I wanted them to do. They keep the bed sheets right where I put them and prevent my corners from becoming untucked.
Now that it's like 80 degrees in here and I'm all sweaty, my sheets are good, my corners are good, the elastic stretches so far, and this is awesome. And now, even though I might not have done the best job, our corners won't come untucked. $9.99.